Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Marfamim. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a multi-line button with icon just by using Elementor. You don't need any other extra plugins, so without further ado, let's go inside Elementor Page Builder. First, take a section by clicking on this plus icon. I'm taking this one. Now let's take a height to minimum height and VH to 100. Then go to Rubik's Cube icon. Drag this button widget under here. Then make the alignment to center. I'm gonna put the text download on the App Store. Okay, now we're gonna take an icon from here. I'm gonna take Apple, then insert icon spacing to 14. Then go to Style tab. We're gonna take a color to black. Then from border radius, let's take it to 20. Then from padding to top, let's take 14, to right 36, to bottom 14, and to the left 36. Okay, then go to typography, font size to 28 pixel. Now have a look. We cannot make the line break. That's why instead of this plain text, we will be writing a very easy HTML snippet. To get the HTML tag, let's go to jimfahaddigital.com. I'll put the page's link in the description. From here under multi-line HTML tag, you simply have to copy this tag. Let's copy it. Then go to Elementor and paste it here. Okay, here I'm making the left bar bigger. Here you can replace the first line text with your own text. I'm writing download on the. And from here, you can change your second text to App Store. Okay, now if we minimize this bar, now it's split it into two lines. But we need to have two more controls. We need the control of the icon size and top line font size. So to have the control, go to Advanced tab, open the Custom CSS field. By the way, Custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I'll put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through the affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but we will get a little commission for that. That will help us to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. To get the code, simply go to jimfahaddigital.com. From under multi-line button CSS, we will be copying this whole snippet. Let's copy it. Then go to Elementor, paste it here like this. So if we now wanna change the icon size, you can change it from here, like I'm adding here 40. You see, it's becoming smaller, but I wanna go back to the previous one. Then if you wanna change the first line size, you can change it from here, like I'm adding here 20. You see, it changes, but I wanna go back to the previous one. Also, here's the color option. You can change the color, like I'm adding here to red, but I wanna go back to white. This is simple as like this. So when you're done, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever we will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want us to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact us through our website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. We will try our best to help you. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.